Happy morning, my dears. From this week onwards, let us see the book bag exercise. Okay. Before that, we can recall the last week portion, supplementary 3. When instinct works, which was written by Anna Sewell. Here, she talks about the kindness, sympathy, and understanding in the treatment of horses. Let us see the sum up of the supplementary. This story is about the special knowledge given to animals by God. The instinct in animals had saved the lives of men. One morning, late in the autumn, John harnessed the horse Black Beauty to the new cart. The master, John, and the horse Black Beauty proceeded on a long journey. The climate was very windy and there was a great deal of rain. When they came to the entrance of the toll gate, the man at the toll gate warned them that the river was rising fast. Suddenly, an oak tree came crashing down in front of them. The river was flooding and it grew darker. Black Beauty sensed danger the moment its feet touched the bridge. It made a dead stop. The man at the other end of the toll gate flashed a torch and said that the bridge was broken in the middle. John praised Black Beauty for saving their lives. If the horse had not been wiser, they would have drowned. John gave a good supper and a thick bed of straw to the horse. So Black Beauty was very grateful for everything as it was tired. Okay. Now, let us come to the book back exercise, prose 1. Okay. It is homophone. What is homophone, my dear? A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word or words, but has a different meaning or spelling. Okay. In short, the words in homophones can be pronounced the same, but the meanings and the spellings are different. We can see few examples. Okay. First, right and right. The first right denotes am I right or wrong? Second, write legibly and neatly. Okay. Second, see. I can see this picture clearly. Second, see. The taste of seawater is salty. Third one, hair. The color of my hair is black. Hair. It is a kind of a rabbit. Okay. The hair runs very fast. Now we can see some more examples for the homophones. Right. Keep on the right side of the road. Right. She had to write a report on the project. Father. We decided not to go any further. It means not more than that. Okay. Next, father. I love my father. Third one, meet. Maybe we will meet again sometime. Meet. It denoting the flesh of an animal, isn't it? I gave up eating meat a few months ago. Flour. Next. It means something filtering it. It's a what? Flour. Sift the flour and salt into a bowl. Next, flower. What beautiful flowers. Next, for. There is a letter for you. And second, for is denoting the number. I choose number 4. Sixth one, pair. The students worked in pairs. It means group. Second, pair. It is a kind of fruit. This pear smells nice. Next, break. It means rest. I need a break. Second break denoting the vehicle brake, which will be helped to stop the vehicle. Okay. He stopped with the squeal of the brakes. Eighth one, buy and buy. I want to buy a new coat. The telephone is by the window. It means near the window. Ninth one, sight and sight. First sight is denoting the example. He was cited for bravery. And the next sight, it is denoting the land. Okay, a site has been chosen for the new school. 10th one, cellar and cellar. Isn't it? The first cellar is denoting an underground room that is used for storing things. Example, we don't use our cellar anymore. Second, cellar. She is a flower seller. Second, next on cereal and cereal. The first cereal is denoting pulses. Second is TV serial. Okay, Tom is eating cereal, and the second one, he is a serial killer. 12th one, coarse. The coarse sand was hot. It means the rough sand. Second, Andy is doing a 1-year journalism course. 13th one, allowed. Unallowed. First one denoting the permission. Smoking is not allowed here. Second, allowed. Speaking louder. The pain made him cry aloud. Next, 14th one, altar. It denotes a high table at a Christian church. Okay, the groom left the bride standing at the altar. Second, alter, denoting modifying some things. I can't alter the plans. Next, aunt. Ants work hard all summer. My aunt lives in Canada. Second, 8. 8 and 8. I ate 3 hot dogs. It is an eatable item. I work 8 hours a day. Next, ball and ball. Tom caught the ball with one hand. Second, ball. It means crying loudly. Okay. I couldn't help it. I just started bawling. Okay. Next, 18th one, band and band. Band, music band, isn't it? They formed a band when they were still at school. Next, band, prohibited or not allowed. Leaders of the band party were arrested last night. Next, next one, bare. It means empty. The trees are already bare. Second bear, I am afraid of the bears. Next, bee and bee. Be quiet. A bee is buzzing around. 20th one, beach and beach. First beach, it is a nice day for going to the beach. Everybody likes to go to beach, isn't it? And the second beach, denoting the large trees. Okay, the great beeches towered up towards the sky. Okay, 22, bean and bean. First one denoting the vegetables. Tom doesn't like green beans. Second, I have never been to Japan. 23rd, bored, feeling boring. After a while, I got bored and left. Second, blackboard. I will write it upon the board. Next one, blue and blue. First denoting the color. She likes blue dresses. Second, blue, blowing the air. She blew onto her coffee to cool it down. Okay. Now, let us come to the abbreviations. Okay. Abbreviation are shortened forms of words or lengthy phrases. In short, it is a short form of a word or phrase. For example, PM, Prime Minister. Okay. Next one, acronym. It is a new word created from the first letters of a long name or a phrase. In short, it is a word that made from the first letters of a group of words. For example, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Okay. Let us see some more examples for the abbreviations. First one, BA, Bachelor of Arts. BSc, Bachelor of Science. MA, Master of Arts. MPhil, Master of Philosophy. CEO, Chief Educational Officer. DEO, District Educational Officer. RRB, Railway Recruitment Board. AIDS, Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. OTP, one-time password. Let us come to the acronyms. Laser, light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Radar, radio detection and ranging. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging. Scuba, self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. UDIS, Unified District Information System for Education. Okay, thank you very much, my dears. Did you understand what is a homophone and abbreviations and acronyms?